Imagine typing a single sentence and instantly stepping inside a Ghibli-style world where you can drive, fight, and play a fully generated 3D game in real time. Hey everyone, welcome back to Desire. Today, I'm showing you a revolutionary new platform developed by Alibaba called HappyOyster, a tool that completely erases the boundary between game development and video generation. We're going to cover everything from claiming your free daily credits to creating dynamic interactive worlds and directing your own 3-minute animations. Before we dive into the action, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Desire, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our future videos. Let's get right into it. Alright, so this is the homepage of HappyOyster. To get started, we'll click on Sign in to claim free creative credit in the top right corner. You can sign up using your personal email or directly with your Google account. I'm going to log in with my Google account. As you can see at the top, the platform grants you 1,000 free credits for your daily logins, which is absolutely plenty for personal projects and testing. Now, here's a cool insider tip. If you join their partnership team like I did, you'll receive a lot of partner keys to use for larger business projects. It also shows here that generating every 30 seconds of video only costs between 50 to 80 keys. This means 1,000 credits will go a very long way, making it practically free to use. If you click on this option down here, you can explore creations made by other users and get some inspiration. By the way, I created these few samples myself while testing out the platform to see how it performs. To start creating, let's click on Create New World. We are presented with two incredible options: Adventure for dynamic and interactive environments, and Directing for executing precise storyboards and scenarios. I'll start with the Directing mode to build an animation together. In this section, you can set the resolution to either 720p or 480p. I'll go with the higher quality, which is 720p. For your screenplay, you can choose between dramatic and peaceful modes. Dramatic mode automatically generates your video with cinematic peaks and valleys, while peaceful mode is designed for more complex, precise projects where you want to manually direct every single shot. I'll go with dramatic first. This text box is where you write your prompt. You can type it yourself, or use external tools, like ChatGPT, to help write a fully optimized prompt. I'm going to paste the prompt I prepared earlier. As you can see, it's very detailed, describing the character, the setting, and even mapping out the timestamps of the scenes. Remember, the more precise your prompt is, the better your final result will be. Now, I'll click Generate to see our first creation. And there we go. It's ready. Let's watch this 3-minute animation together. Here is a pro tip: while the video is playing, if there is any part you don't like, you can simply type a new command in the input box below to edit and swap out that specific shot. Let's see how the video turned out. Now, I want to use two prompts here to modify and direct the scene in real time, which is the absolute best feature of this platform and what truly sets it apart from all the others. First, I'm going to give it this prompt: girl singing while cooking.
This Tom be changed the carrot.
And wow, it did an absolutely amazing job rendering that for us. Now, I want to give it another prompt: a cat appearing and being picked up by a girl, and there we go.
If you're hot, then come on in. The steam rises high. The taste is just right.
Wow, this is absolutely incredible. It did a brilliant job and delivered a highly professional 3-minute cinematic video. If you ever notice a bug or something feels off, don't worry at all, just give it a new text command, and it will fix that part right up. Now, let's head back to the main menu and test out the mind-blowing adventure feature. Now, let's explore the interactive templates available on the platform, which give you full control over a 3D space. You can test any template you like, but there are two specific options I really want to try out today. First, I'll select the Foggy Frontier template. In the short prompt section, I'll just type fight and hit regenerate. As you can see, you can use the interactive buttons to control the action in a complete 3D environment. I'm going to trigger the jump attack option here. Notice how even while the character is firing, you can rotate the camera view to see the entire surrounding environment. The most fascinating part is that the platform generates all these visuals in real time. By changing the camera angles and moving through the space, you can dynamically create entirely new, living battle scenes. Next, let's test another template, the skateboard scene. I'll click Explore and wait for it to load. I'll use the on-screen controls to move the character around. Since I am screen recording, I won't run through the entire sequence, but I highly recommend you test it out yourself to see how smooth it feels. You can make the character jump, accelerate, or steer left and right from multiple dynamic camera views, perfectly simulating a real skateboarding experience in a fully interactive, real-time environment. One quick thing to keep in mind, this platform is currently in its beta phase, so you might encounter a few minor bugs during execution. This is completely normal for a powerful new tool that is just starting out. Out of the default presets, I'm going to choose the Persian morning template to see how it looks. I'll click Explore, and after a short load, our world is ready. Look at this. It has generated a fully interactive, living 3D environment. You can use your keyboard, arrow keys or WASD to move around and, in this case, control the cat's movements. The most amazing part is that everything is rendered dynamically in real time, giving you absolute control over your surroundings. It all responds to your inputs. Let's go back once more. This time, I want to create a brand new dynamic adventure environment from scratch. I'll click Create New World. On this page, you can write your custom prompt or choose one of the templates below. I'll pick one of the available templates again, click Try This, and then hit Generate to start building. It's starting to build the environment. Keep in mind that every single time, it generates a completely new world for you. And look, it just loaded our world. As you can see, you can easily control every part of this world. It beautifully converts a flat 2D image into a dynamic, playable 3D space that you can control. This is a true revolution in video and game development, and I know it's going to improve massively over time to the point where we can create entire games just using our words. Now, I want to write a custom prompt myself. In the input box above, I'll type a short prompt, a man walking in mountain. I'll click Generate and wait for it to build our world. Let's see the result. It has built a gorgeous, serene scene where we can fully control our character's movement. Don't forget, depending on your prompt and your imagination, you can customize everything and bring whatever you want to life in these worlds. That scene was absolutely beautiful and incredibly relaxing. I highly recommend checking out the website and trying this revolutionary platform for yourself. Make sure to share your thoughts and experiences after using HappyOyster in the comments below and let me know what you think the future of AI-driven game development will look like. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Desire for more mind-blowing tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching until the very end. Stay creative, stay inspired, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.